In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and save a Looker Studio report from a template. By the end, you'll have a fully functioning report connected to your own data, ready to share or explore. All you need is access to Looker Studio, formerly known as Data Studio, and permission to the data you plan to use. Start by opening Looker Studio in your browser and heading to the main reporting home. This is where all your reports live, and it's also where you can browse options for starting something new. If you're ever unsure you're in the right place, look for the navigation panel on the left and the gallery of reports and templates in the main area. Next, click Templates on the left side. This takes you to a dedicated space for pre-built reports. Templates are fantastic because they're already laid out with charts, filters, and styling. Your job is simply to connect your data so the visuals come to life with numbers that matter to you. From there, choose Template Gallery. This opens the broader collection, including Google-built and community templates. Take a moment to hover and skim. You'll typically see a preview image and a brief description that hints at which data sources the template expects, like analytics, ads, or spreadsheets. The preview helps you confirm the layout and visuals fit your use case before you commit. When you find a template you like, click it. You'll land on a preview page that shows the structure of the report with sample data. This step is helpful to confirm the pages, charts, and filters align with the story you want to tell. Now click Use My Data. This is the key action that swaps the sample data for your own. Looker Studio will prompt you to choose a data connection so it knows where to pull metrics and dimensions from. Click on Account. In this context, account refers to the top-level selection within the chosen connector. Pick the correct account that contains the data you want to report on. Depending on the connector, you may also see additional pickers such as property, dataset, or table. Choose the options that match your reporting needs and make sure you have the required permissions. Finally, click Add. Looker Studio will connect the template to your selected data and generate your report. Within a few moments, you'll see the charts populate. The report is saved to your Looker Studio home automatically, so you can return to it anytime. That's it, your template-based report is created, connected, and saved, ready for exploration and sharing.